ल ठुलो पारिदिन्छु अब दुईटा प्राइम मिनिस्टरको मात्रै बाँकी छ अझै आउँदैछ तिम्रो साथीहरू सो अल अफ यु टर्न यो भिडियो अन गरेर बस तिमीहरू लक्की होला जस्तो पो छ त थोरै सिलेबस पो आउला जस्तो छ त लक्की हुने हो
म्याम किन
थोरै सिलेबस आयो भने तिमीहरूले धेरै पढ्नुपर्छ भन्दै थियो भर्खर अनि पढ्नु पर्दैन नि होइन कृष्ण
यस म्याम म्याम युनिट 6 आएन भने नि धेरै हेल्पफुल हुन्थ्यो
No, if you get only 3 units.
Ma'am, that is 4, 6. Ma'am, that 4, 5, 6. If 3 units will come, then that is 4, 5, 6.
फोर फाइभ सिक्स पढ्दै गर अहिले 4, 5, 6 को मात्रै कुरा भइरहेछ अब अगाडिको रहेछ भने तिमीहरू यु जस्ट स्टार्ट लर्निङ फ्रम 4, 5, 6 still your friends are coming why they are late so this is very important slide which I have shown you right now this how does the Rana rule begin in our country and what was the situation this is very important slide so you have to remember the dates the first one and then after yesterday we talked about Jangabahadur Rana, how he returned back from what happened to my slide? How he returned back from how he accumulated the power and started to rule as de facto ruler, and how the Rana prime ministers and the families of Ramanas has captured the what we call captured all the high-ranking posts and started to rule as de facto rulers, and for the long run, more than century they ruled. This poetic rule lasted for 104 years, we said. And then after we continued with the political, economic, and social achievement made by the Rana rulers. So when we talked about Jangabahadur Rana, he was the one who was very clever and started the Rana rule. And when he has visited England, and he was highly impressed by the England's achievement, development. That's why when he came back to Nepal, he started or he introduced Mulugian. That Mulugian is the first law or N made in 1910 BS. Then after Darbar High School was also established, later praised Ayurvedic medicine, discouraged Sati system, and the longest ruling, Ranodip Singh, the calendar for the first time, Sanskrit Pasala, and also the youngsters, those who are far away and want to learn, those who have no home or no place to read and write, they also now get an opportunity to read and write. Then comes the rule of Samsir. Jangabahadur's family now ruling was end, and then Samser's family started. And these Samser's families, they started from Bir Samser. Bir Samser was the son of Dir Samser, and Dir Samser died before being the prime minister. That's why his son Bir Samser and other Samser has ruled in Nepal as the prime minister. Bir Samser was the one who started Darbar High School, who made the Darbar High School building, present building, or the previous one building, because present building has been made after the earthquake. We all know that. No? Subhas Deola bhakhar aउँदैछ दुईटा छ फेरि. So he made Baidya Khana, he made college, schools also. Dev Samser most lived around the prime ministers, no? And he even wanted to establish the parliamentary form of government. Within 114 days of his ruling timing, he made more than 150 schools in Nepal. And then Chandra Samser, who abolished Sati system and even the slavery, he conducted census also. He made Pre-Chandra College and encouraged for Nepalese language upliftment through the Gorkha Bhasha Prakashani Samiti. So then comes Bhim Samser, who made the things of life imprisonment, then the death penalty, he declare holidays for the people and farming to encourage. Judha Samse is called father of industrialization. He established Industrial Act and started the large-scale industry in Nepal for the first time. And then examinations
Ma'am,
also
you
started
told.
to take. I told.
Ma'am, you told father of Industrial Act.
Industrialization in Nepal. And during Judha Samse timing,
Ma'am,
the
father of industrialization.
industrialization, yeah. During the time of Judha Samse, what happened? The earthquake, massive earthquake had taken place in 1990, Bikram Sambat. And at that timing, he reconstructed the houses and had supported the people like very much during and after the earthquakes to rebuild their life, rebuild their home, etc. जुद्ध संसदले के भनेको थियो भने अरे त्यो भुइँचालो आएको बेलामा कसैले भ्रष्टाचार गर्छ भने हैन भुइँचालोमा अब जस्तै खाद्यान्नहरु बाँड्नु पर्यो खानेकुरा मान्छेहरु घर हुँदैन बिजोग छ हैन मलाई भनिराख्नु पर्दैन भनेको गभर्नमेन्टलाई भनिराख्नु पर्दैन चार जना मान्छे साँची बसेर त्यो मान्छेलाई काटिदिए हुन्छ भनेर भनेको थियो रे के द्याट मिन्स भुइँचालोको बेलामा मान्छेलाई दुःख परेको बेलामा अप्ठ्यारो परेको बेला anyone does corruption or misuse of the things which are needed to be supplied for the people, those who were affected by earthquake. So these people, if they found doing corruption, then the चार पाँच जना बसेर चार जना बसेर आफू समेत पाँच जना भयो हैन चार जना बसेर त्यो मान्छेलाई काटिदिए हुन्छ भनेर उले चाहिँ करप्सनलाई डिस्करेज गरेको थियो भनेको मतलब he wanted that the people must get all kind of benefits which the government had provided them after the earthquake हैन मैले यस्तो आइडिया मात्र तिमीलाई शेयर गरेको यस्तो कुराहरु सुनिराख्नुपर्छ and then comes जुद्ध शमशेर comes मोहन शमशेर कता हराउनु भयो फेरि मोहन शमशेर त हराउनु भयो त पद्म शमशेर मोहन शमशेर पछि जुद्ध शमशेर पछि पद्म शमशेर मेरो स्लाइड तल माथि भएछ है त पद्म शमशेर है यो त रङ भएछ माथिको हेरे यो स्लाइड तल माथि भएछ के यो अगाडि पछाडी भएछ जुद्ध शमशेर पछि मोहन होइन पद्म शमशेर है पद्म शमशेरको स्लाइड देखाउँछु पहिले Padma Samser, he ruled for 3 years, and Padma Samser was the one who established Padmodaya High School for the boys in Putali Sadak, and this is still existed in Nepal. He also made Delhi Bazar Kanya School and Kanya School at Chhatrapati, and by his name later on in Delhi Bazar, Padma Kanya College was also made for the girls. So he encouraged girls' education, from schools. He opened school for the girls. And there was no system of co-education. No, there was a girls' school separately, boys' school separately. Padmodaya High School was the boys' school, and Padma Kanya School was the school for the girls, and Kanya School at Chhatrapati also. And he also was one who arranged the adult education. That means he thought that people, due to the various conditions, those who could not go to school during their early age, if they have got enthusiasm to learn, if they are interested to learn in their later age also, they must get the education. He opened adult education system for the girls also. Sorry, for people, those who are interested, not only for the girls. Adult education was also made arrangement. Gorkhapatra was started publishing thrice a week from his timing. And he was also the one thinking teacher must get the training to give good education and knowledge to the young minds or young youngsters. That's why he started teachers trainings also. And then he was the one who introduced first written constitution in our country, Nepal. The first written wrote on 2004 Bikram Sambat and started from 2005 Bikram Sambat. And that constitution is called Nepalko Vaidhanik Kanun of Nepal. So first written constitution was also made by him. He also provided electricity to the common people. Before that, electricity was introduced during the time of Chandra Samser from Forping reservoirs. 500 megawatt electricity was produced, and that electricity was used only for the official purpose or to Rana family only. But Padma Samser is the one who distributed electricity to the general people also, those who could afford it. He was also the one who had started the municipal election, that the election system started in Nepal, Kathmandu. We started from Kathmandu municipality. He conducted elections. So if election is there, if parliament is there, it constitution is there, that means the rule of law started or begins, slowly. So he allowed the people to keep radio also. I might have told you previously that during the Rana timing, if the people have to keep the radio, they have to take the license or make the license for keeping the radio at their home. Are you understanding me? So he provided opportunity for the people to use the electricity as well as to keep the radio at home, so that they would get information. Okay. So after Padma Samser, the last Rana Prime Minister we are going to take now is Mohan Samser. So Juddha Samser पछि Padma Samser अनि Padma Samser पछि Mohan Samser है. यो मेरो स्लाइड तलमाथि भएको छ. Mohan Samser. So Mohan Samser ruled for only 2 years. He was the last Rana Minister, and he also opened 87 primary school. He also encouraged telephone service for the first time. I think I forgot to write over here. A telephone service, and in our country he opened 87 primary schools. So he started appointing civil servant on the basis of qualification through advertisement. Before that, the civil servant all used to be selected from Ranas only. They choose them. They elect them. Those who could please Rana Prime Minister, they were given the chance to get the job. But now Mohan Samser had become a little bit democratic and thought that if in this way qualified people are not getting the job, now he made the advertisement, and through the advertisement the people can apply in the civil service post and get the job, civil servant service. And he was also the one who encouraged tree planting on the either side of the roads and in other places, so that if we would be rich in the timbers and biodiversity, as well as for the purification of atmosphere and air. So tree plantation was also encouraged by Mohan Samser. An engineering school was established in Kathmandu for the first time by Mohan Samser. So he encouraged skill-oriented or engineering, great one, no? Medical still not started, engineering started. So this is how last Rana Prime Minister Mohan Samser could not rule for a longer period of time, even though he tried to replace at that timing from 19 in the beginning of 19 only was started about the revolt against the Ranas, but Rana, they used to give the death penalty to the people, those who go against them. That's why they lasted for a longer period of time. This is how Mohan Samser, what has he done? When King Tribhuvan along with the people revolted against the Rana rule in 2007, Vikram Sambat, and King Tribhuvan, he flew away towards India with the support of Indian government. In India got independency in 1947, and Nepal got freedom from Rana rule in 1951. Okay, that is AD I am talking about. That is 1951 means 2007 Vikram Sambat. Are you understanding me? So in that condition, Mohan Samser even tried to become prime minister again, even after the democratic introduction of democracy, but he could not sustain, and that they have to leave the prime ministerships, and now parliamentary form of government was started. So this is how we end this lesson. So anything you wanted to ask me, you can ask me. I think one lesson is left from this unit 6. Yes? Am I right? Hello, you are not listening to me.
Yes, ma'am. I'm listening to you.
Listening to me and not replying. That's why I thought not listening. मेरो कम्प्युटरलाई के भयो फेरि किन चलेन त भनिहाल्छु नि वाले यो ESC बाहेक मेरो की थिचेन त्यसको सब्स्टिट्युटमा किबोर्डबाट के थिच्नु पर्छ थाहा छ ब्याक जानलाई थिच्यो ल थिच्यो
Ma'am,